Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the Logitech G915 Lightspeed keyboard. This premium device offers a blend of advanced technology and sleek design, making it a standout choice for gamers. It features low-profile GL mechanical switches, providing a fast and comfortable typing experience. The Lightspeed wireless technology ensures a 1 millisecond report rate, crucial for competitive gaming. Its durable, aircraft-grade aluminum build and customizable RGB lighting complete the package, offering both style and substance. Beyond its core features, the G915 excels in performance and thoughtful design. You can expect up to 30 hours of battery life on a single charge, ensuring long gaming sessions without interruption. It also includes convenient dedicated media controls and a smooth volume roller. For advanced users, 5 programmable G keys offer extensive customization for macros and commands, enhancing your workflow and gaming efficiency. There is also a compact 10-keyless version available. When considering the G915, its advantages are clear. The low-profile switches provide a distinct and satisfying feel, while the premium build quality guarantees durability and a sleek look. However, it's important to acknowledge the drawbacks. The keyboard comes with a high price tag, which might be a barrier for some. Additionally, while many appreciate the low-profile design, some users might still prefer the traditional feel of full-height mechanical switches. So, is the Logitech G915 worth it? For serious gamers and enthusiasts seeking a top-tier, low-profile wireless mechanical keyboard, the answer is often yes. Its blend of advanced features, exceptional performance, and premium build quality largely justifies the higher cost. However, it is crucial to consider your personal budget and your preference for switch type. Ultimately, the G915 stands as a leading choice in the high-end wireless gaming keyboard segment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.